So a few things, coding standard. How does coding standard actually work? First thing you need to do is write your name on top. Second thing you need to do is, this is your main. In your main, all your variables need to be on top. So, and explain what the variable does. Then you'll be calling functions. So in your case, this is your definition of a function. Explain the function. Also, a few other things to know. All variables need to be on top, just in the main. If you have global variables, that will be between the main and the class name. So there will be somewhere here. That means they can be used in any of these functions. So these variables, these are called global. And these are called local. So all of them need to be explained. So if somebody else is using your code, you should be able to. Then if there is a global variable, it can call in any of the functions. So if you have, this function was public static boolean, say check date. So if you wanted to say if a year is leap year or not, you can actually do that and use it here without reinitializing or redefining it. So few examples of what coding would be standards. Make sure the naming of the variables is proper. Make sure constants are named in capital. Make sure naming of each variable is together. So if you're using variables, make sure they are put together. That's one way of doing it. Functions have to be explained. So if somebody else is using your code, he should be able to understand what you're doing. Thanks.